Hi guys, this is a video tour for Unit 471 Wolseley Street, Bexley in New South Wales, 2207. And that is the lounge room with an air conditioner. That's the dining space. You've got the kitchen there and an internal laundry at the bottom. You can have your own washing machine. All quality fittings there. Brand new kitchen, fully renovated, timber flooring, and that is a bedroom with new built-ins. Beautiful light coming through. And that's the bathroom, and again, brand new bathroom, quality fittings with a nice bathtub and a shower cubicle. Plus you've got your little storage area, and up there as well. And with a nice beautiful balcony outside. Balcony there. And you've got your garage, which is this one here. Cheers.